Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands knitting and crocheting tutorials, and today we are going to learn how to knit this cute super bulky hat. This is a toddler size. I have also done a newborn size and the child and adult size. So this one more adult. This is a family set or family look order that I've got from Big Family. So I've done in total 5 hats, and today I will show you how to do a toddler size. There are other sizes and pattern you can find on my blog. For this hat I was using wool and is thickened quick yarn from Line brand and 9mm knitting needles. So if you want to knit this hat for your toddler, join me, let's do it together. So I got 36 stitches plus 1 extra stitch to knit in the round. And now I will show you how to join in the round when you are using long circular needles. So for this you will need hook. I slipped the very first stitch on the right hand needle, and then I slip over the last stitch. So maybe I will need a little bit smaller size of hook. I slip it over the first stitch and drop it off the needle, and then I return the stitch back and pull tail and working yarn tight like this. And now you can place marker if you need. And I start knitting ribbon part. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Like this you go on ribbon till the end of this round and repeat the first round for 6 times. So I've done 6 rounds, and I'm going to start with first round of the main pattern where I purl all stitches around. In total there will be 3 rounds, and after that we will repeat all that 3 rounds until desired length. So purl all stitches around till the marker. The second round, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and again knit 2, purl 2, and repeat. The third round, the same as the second one, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and repeat till the marker. Round number 4, we are going to repeat round number 1. It means you need to purl all stitches around. And like this you will see those bumpy rows. Purl, and then you repeat 1, 2, 3, 5 more times, and you will get beautiful texture as I shown before, like this or like this. So please go on. Welcome back. I've done in total 18 rounds after the ribbon part, and I'm ready to start with decreases. So the next round should be the same round as the first round, where I purl all stitches. So I purl 2 and then I purl 2 together. For this I turn my stitches because I want to make decreases look smooth. It doesn't matter that you need to turn them as I do, just purl 2 together and repeat purl 2, purl 2 together. Purl 2 together, and repeat till the marker. The second round, there will be no decreases. Knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit, and purl. Like this, go on till the end of round. Round number 3, knit 2 together, purl 1, and repeat, knit 2 together, purl 1, knit 2 together, purl 1. Repeat till the end. And the last, the fourth round, so again I turn the purl stitch because it will be easier to decrease, and knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. And one more time. Knit 2 together. Go on to the end. 10 okay, I've done decreases. The head is ready. So cut the yarn and use hook to help yourself to thread the tail through remaining stitches. Four, 3, and the last 2. Pull tight to close top and pull the yarn to the wrong side and pull tight. I will show you how I usually weave in ends on the top. So I go underneath each stitch of the last round. For this here you can take a smaller hook and you go underneath each stitch. Ready, and the beginning tail this is the way I usually do. And one more, and you can go even further, going up, up, and one more, pull. Your head is ready, so look, it's so cute. Now you can make a yarn pom-pom or attach a fur pom-pom, it's up to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you soon in my next tutorials.